Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'll be discussing another important question from the previous year CSIR net exam. So guys, it's going to be our analysis session in which we are analyzing the questions from the previous years. Okay, and we are going to talk about this thing, that how we can get the idea about the right approach to solve the questions. Even we can avoid making any such type of mistakes in the exam. So that's how we are going to do the discussion about these important points, questions and the concepts in the session. Okay, and guys, you can check out all the sessions in this series. Some of the sessions I have uploaded, while in upcoming days we will also be discussing more and more questions, and these sessions will be helping all the students to avoid making any mistakes and to finalize their preparation for the upcoming exam, even to prepare the topics and the concepts along with solving the questions. So I hope you all are ready for the another question today, and we are going to start that discussion soon. Before that, I'm quickly going to share the information and the update about the Unacademy subscription. So I hope you all know about it, that on Unacademy we are going to have the well structured and well planned courses available by the top educators. In upcoming days many new courses will be starting, and even right now many courses are going on, and there are even the courses which have been completed. So if you want to join all these well structured and well planned courses sessions on Unacademy, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, and whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen, to get the discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. The difference between the Unacademy Plus and the Iconic subscription have been shown here on the slide. So it will be providing you the clear idea about this thing, that what are the benefits you will get if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription or Unacademy Iconic subscription, and depending on this thing, that what is going to be more beneficial for you, you can take that subscription. And it is the information about the free unit-wise PYQ tests which are available on the learning app, and this is regarding the UA Lite subscription. Okay, so here guys, you can see that if you will be taking the 1 month subscription and 2 month subscription, all the details have been shown here on the slide. Now we are going to talk about the important question of electromagnetic theory, and whenever you are going to proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live. You can simply write it as ANJALIALIVE in capital letters, everything you can write, that's okay. Okay, now let's continue the discussion now. So if I'm going to talk about the question which I will be taking today, that's from the electromagnetic theory part. I will be explaining it to everyone, that how you will get the idea for solving such type of question, or what are the details they have provided us in the question, so how we will focus on them, or we can avoid making any kind of mistake even when we are going to solve any such type of question. So let's talk about it. A perfectly conducting fluid of permittivity epsilon and permeability that's mu flows with a uniform velocity. Flows with a uniform velocity. V, in the presence of time dependent electric and magnetic fields. You can denote them with E and B respectively. If there is a finite current density, finite current density in the fluid, now here till this point whatever we have considered, I would like to talk something about it. Look at this, the question statement is only this much. So if you are going to focus on it, it's going to be something they are talking about a perfectly conducting fluid which is having the permittivity epsilon and the permeability mu. Okay, in that case it flows with a uniform velocity. So this point is important, it is flowing with a uniform velocity. Okay, uniform velocity in the presence of time dependent electric and magnetic fields. So our electric and magnetic fields are time dependent here. If there is a finite current density in the fluid, then what? Did they mention it that what you have to find till now? No. Which means until and unless you are going to check out the options, you are not getting the idea that how you have to proceed or what you actually want to get. While you got few details here, that's okay. But our aim or target is to reach to the final answer, and for that we need to observe the options. It's very important. Done. Let me just show you the options now. I hope you will be able to get it clearly then. Delta cross, this is the vector you have to take there, V cross B is equal to delta B upon delta T. At the same time, the second option we are going to have is delta cross V cross B is equal to minus delta B upon delta T. If I'm going to talk about the next thing here, that's going to be delta cross V cross B is equal to square root epsilon mu delta E upon delta T. Then option D is delta cross, which is simply the curl of. Okay, so in all the options you can even call it like curl of this and this cross product, curl of this and this cross product. This is how you can consider it. So now after observing the options, I think it's going to get clear to everyone that your focus will be on finding the curl of the vector product or the cross product of V with B. Okay, so in that case, now I think most of you, those who are familiar with the Maxwell's equation and the relations, so it will be quite simple and easy for you to relate it here, that here they can help you. Okay, but how they can help you? So you know about this thing that curl of electric field is equal to minus delta B upon delta T for the time dependent fields. Done. If you are familiar with it, see, some basic information is actually required. In this case, they have mentioned it's gonna be the uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means what? Can I say F will be equal to 0? Reason behind it, you know, F is also equal to dP upon dt. So when you consider the dP upon dt, you are going to have P as mv. In general, I'm talking about it. So when you write dV upon dt, but the uniform velocity is there, so you will be able to get it automatically that with that term, with this expression, how you are getting this conclusion. Okay. Now the net force which will act here, that will be QE, that is due to the electric field, and due to the magnetic field, that is minus QV cross B. So these two will be equal, because you can either write the force which is associated with the electric and magnetic fields both, okay, QE plus V cross B, or you can just equate that with 0. When you will equate it with 0, you are going to get this expression then. Here you are going to get vector E is equal to, that's minus V cross B. That's how you will be able to get it. Once you're going to get it this way, what you have to do next? Once you got the E expression, you will just be putting it here. Curl of, then minus sign is there, but I will be adjusting it with this sign. So V cross B is equal to what I'm going to get? That's delta B upon delta T. Now you can see which option is going to be the correct one. Option A, similar to that, you got the expression, and that's how you are reaching to the final answer. You can see what I have done, how we have proceeded further, just with the help of the question statement itself and by observing the options given to us. In case if you are going to have any doubt anywhere, you can just mention it, but if you are getting that idea, also focus on this part, that what we are using mostly while solving the questions, okay? Like the basic portion, like the basics of some of the subjects. So that's going to be the idea you will get with these sessions. which is important for all of you, because right now even you are having some time. So if you want to modify your preparation, you want to improve something, you want to prepare more points and the concepts or the topics, so you are still having a chance. Okay, you can do that. So I hope it's helpful, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And this was our another analysis session we had, where we have considered the electromagnetic theory important question based on important concepts, and I hope it's clear to every one of you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe it by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And if like you want to share it with your friends, you can also do that, because if your friends are preparing for the exam, the sessions will be helpful for them as well. These videos will be helpful for them as well. Done. Let's keep it this much right now in the session. And guys, here I'm showing you the slide regarding the difference between the plus and iconic subscription. And as I have told you, in upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss it, then you can take the subscription, and these courses and sessions will be helping you a lot to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam. Whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank